Welcome back to Scotties Hobbies. Real fast, today we're working on this Chevy Suburban. It's a 5.3 liter V8. The infamous water pump went bad on this one. The petcock on the bottom of the water pump has seemed to go down bad. So I am installing a new water pump down there. You can see it's already installed, getting ready to be torqued down. And I'm going to be using the Lexivon 1/4 inch torque wrench to do this. I really like the 1/4 inch torque wrench when it comes to very low foot pounds. I'll convert them over to inch pounds and use the 1/4 inch pound or the 1/4 inch torque wrench to get it tightened down. I've had this torque wrench for about 3 years. I really love this thing, Lexivon. I hit them up. I'm like, hey, I've used your guys' stuff for so long. Can we work out a calibration? I said a calibration again. I meant, can we work out a collaboration? They said yes. So as it is right now, if it all works out, you guys go to Amazon, go to their official Lexivon Amazon store, and if you get anything from the store, at checkout, use my code Scotties10. You're gonna get 10% off on any order that you place of any value, anything. Use Scotties10 on their Amazon storefront, and you'll get a discount. And you can see, like I said, I love this thing, pre-calibrated. It comes with a 2-year warranty if you register it within 90 days of purchasing it, which is pretty darn incredible. I've never had a problem. I've checked it a few times if the calibration was good, and it still is. So go check out the Lexivon storefront on Amazon. Use Scotties10 to get a 10% discount, and I will see you guys on the next hopefully helpful video.